Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone supports split screen and the two apps you want are open. Open the first app, then invoke the Recent Apps view. On Android, swipe up or tap Recents. On iPad, use the dock for slide over. Once in Recents, long press the app icon or its card and choose Split Screen or Open in Split View. This places the first app into the top or left pane so you can select the second app and begin the actual layout. Once the second app is chosen, it fills the opposite pane and you control layout with the divider. Drag that bar to change the ratio. Try 50/50 for equal focus or 70/30 for primary/secondary tasks. Make sure to use landscape orientation if one app needs more horizontal space, and tap the divider handles to quickly snap to presets. If you need to swap which app is primary, many systems let you drag app icons between panes, or to finish, drag the divider all the way to an edge or tap the close or exit split control to return to a single app. If an app refuses to enter split screen, make sure it's updated. Some apps disable split mode, so use a compatible alternative like a browser tab. If the interface freezes or the divider won't move, restart your phone or clear the app cache. Once done, you should regain normal multitasking and be able to re-enter split screen without losing your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.